I send it.
And we got another
Despicable Me.
Despicable Me Minion surprise.
Huh? Now make this Despicable Me fry.
Xander's gotten the Minion Tim, Minion with cupcake, and he wants the El Macho.
Macho.
So hopefully you get it this time, right, Xander?
You're right.
Okay. Okay, let's see what he gets. Minion with the cupcake again.
Macho like this.
He got another Minion with the cupcake.
I want Macho.
Maybe next time. Okay, look at Mama. Say bye.
Bye.
This is Xander.
This is Xander.
Signing out.
Signing out.